Good morning. We are finishing the one and only Ivan, and I have some help this morning. And you're going to start reading right here. We stare across the expanse. Okay, I'm going to take turns with you. Wistful smile. That's a nice description. For, she gestures toward me, for this. They turn to leave. The lamps that light the zoo pathways blink on, blanketing the world with yellow light. Your turn. That's a great last line. Mighty silverback, I whisper. So that is the end of the one and only Ivan. Thank you for helping me. Can I say who you are to the listeners out there? This is Rasil in my class, and she helped me read the last pages. Mighty silverback. What do you think of the story, Rasil? It's pretty cool. Well, thank you for helping me read the finale, and I will stop the recording and stay tuned for new readings in the future.